Okay, so today we are working on trying to solve right triangles. Remember, if you're solving right triangles, you're going to use Pythagorean theorem, which is this right here, or, well, I guess, and your trig ratios right here. For when you're solving these, you really don't need to worry about your cosecant, secant, or cotangent too much, because that's going to be not needed, really. So for this triangle, we have A is that 32 degrees, which means little a, we don't know. So A equals 32 degrees. Little a, we don't know. B, we also don't know yet for either of these. So B equals something, B equals something. Now for the last one, C. Well, C is going to equal that 90 degrees, and little c equals 7. So when we're trying to find angle B, first we can use that property of a triangle. So we'll say 180 minus 90 minus 32 equals B. And when we do that, we'll find out that B equals 58 degrees. Next, we're going to use our sine, cosine, tangent, whatever we want to solve for A and B. So for this problem, when we're trying to solve for A, we can use this angle right here, which we said was 32 degrees. And because we have the hypotenuse, we'll look at which ones use hypotenuse. So we can either use sine or cosine. And if we're solving for A, that's that opposite side. So we'll say the sine of 32 equals A over 7. We don't know what that A is, though. So to solve for that, we'll multiply both sides by 7. We'll have A equals 7 sine 32. Go ahead and solve that on your calculator. When we plug that into the calculator, we should get 3.7. Next, we're going to solve for B. So we'll say cosine, because we have the adjacent side right here of the 32, equals B over 7. We'll multiply both sides by that 7, and we'll get B equals 7 cosine 32. When we plug that into our calculator, we should get 5.9. So we'll have 5.9. And now we have all of our values solved for. If you need any more help with this, please reach out. Otherwise, have a good night.